Hello friends, Turkey is a country of unparalleled natural beauty with a unique history and culture. Host to many civilizations, Turkey can be seen as an open-air museum with its historic beauty. To this day, Turkey carries the culture amalgamated by each of its past civilizations and attracts the attention of the world with its unique perspective on art and culture. Please watch our other videos for more detailed information on Turkey scholarship programs. We wish you all a good day.